Welcome to the future of customer service with Smart Web Solutions. We're not just a provider, we're your trusted partner in redefining customer interactions and business growth. Our secret weapon? Cutting-edge chatbot solutions powered by artificial intelligence. These aren't your typical chatbots. They're intuitive, they're adaptable, and they're ready to transform your customer service experience. Imagine a world where every customer query is answered promptly, accurately, and with a personalized touch. That's the world we're creating at Smart Web Solutions. Our chatbots understand the context, anticipate needs, and provide relevant responses. Whether you're a blossoming startup or an established enterprise, we tailor our solutions to fit your unique needs. The future of customer service is here, and it's smarter than ever before. It's time to elevate your customer service game with us. Smart Web Solutions, your trusted partner, is here to revolutionize your customer service experience. Every business is one of a kind. That's why our chatbots are customizable to suit your specific needs. In a world where uniqueness is key, we believe in fitting technology to the business, not the other way around. Whether you're a budding startup with a niche market or a large enterprise with a broad customer base, our chatbots are designed to be fully customizable, catering to your specific requirements. Imagine a chatbot that echoes your business's voice, one that understands not only the language of your industry, but also the unique needs of your customers. From the tone of interaction to the depth of knowledge, everything can be tailored to your preference, and it doesn't stop there. As your business scales, our solutions scale with you. Whether you're expanding your product line or venturing into new markets, our chatbots adapt and evolve, ensuring that your customer service is always top-notch. Smart Web Solutions are scalable and adaptable, evolving with your business. Our chatbots are not just efficient, they are designed with your customers in mind. At the heart of our design process is an unwavering focus on the user experience. We understand that interactions should feel natural and intuitive, not like a conversation with a machine. Our chatbots are therefore crafted to engage and respond in a way that is not only effective, but also leaves a lasting positive impression. But beyond delivering a superb user experience, we are deeply committed to data security. We recognize that your customer's information is not just data, it's a valuable asset that deserves the utmost respect and protection. At Smart Web Solutions, we implement robust security measures to ensure this precious commodity is never compromised. We believe that in the digital world, trust is not a luxury, but a necessity. Trust is the foundation of our relationships, and we work diligently to earn and maintain it. Welcome to Smart Web Solutions, where innovation meets customer satisfaction. We're more than just a tech company. We're a team of forward thinkers who believe in the power of artificial intelligence to transform the way businesses interact with their customers. Our intelligent chatbots are the result of years of research, development, and dedication. But they're not just tools, they're strategic assets. Every chatbot we create is designed to understand context, anticipate needs, and provide relevant responses. This makes every interaction feel personalized, and that's what sets us apart. We're all about customization, seamless integration, and continuous improvement. As the world of AI evolves, so do our chatbots, ensuring you're always one step ahead. And when it comes to scalability, we've got you covered. Our solutions grow with your business, helping you meet the demands of an expanding customer base. We're not just a provider, we're a partner in your journey to exceptional customer service. Elevate your customer service game with Smart Web Solutions, your path to seamless interactions. Imagine the possibilities when you empower your business with our cutting-edge AI-powered chatbots. Picture a future where every customer interaction is a delightful experience, where your service adapts, grows, and evolves with your business. That future is just a click away. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with the latest in customer service technology. Give us a thumbs up if you found this information valuable. Sharing is caring, so don't hesitate to share our content with your network. But wait, there's more. We're offering a chance to win a free consultation with our experts. Imagine having all your questions answered, all your concerns addressed, and a plan laid out just for your business. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and take the first step towards a brighter future. Don't forget to like, share, and comment for a chance to win a free consultation.